Well, I'm just going to show you briefly how to view bacteria using these binocular microscopes. Because bacteria are very small, we need to use the highest magnification. The white 100 times lens alongside the 10 times eyepiece gives a total magnification of 1000 times. So you clip the slide in, make sure the area with your sample is right in the middle of what you're looking at. Right there. It's very important you make sure the slide's the right way around. So I'm going to focus away until I see some basically pink blobs of dye. You need to see individual cells, not accumulations of cells, but you will need something to focus on. So I'm now going to go to the yellow lens. Notice that I'm using the nail part to move the lens around. It's best not to touch the lens because you can put it out. Focus again. With this bacteria, you can almost start to see individual cells now. So it's certainly with the 40 times lens, I can see individual cells. Now, with the white lens, it actually says oil in it. This lens gets very close to the sample. If you're away from physics, when light moves from glass to air, it refracts. Now that refraction can interfere with the quality of the image. So we can actually get a better image if we actually put oil in between the slide and the lens to reduce the amount of diffraction. So what I've done, I've moved the lenses to one side. I'm not removing the slide. Leave the slide where it is, because it's nearly in focus. I'm going to put 1 or 2 drops of oil where the light's coming up, so you can see that. Now, this lens is very close, so when I move it, it dips into the oil, so there's no air in between the slide and the lens. And then I'm going to focus very gently using the fine focus until I can see some individual cells. So when I see some nice individual cells which I can draw, I can use a graticule to measure the size of the cells. And if you come over here, I can just quickly capture this image, and you won't see quite so well, but the camera is not brilliant. When you let the image come up, you can't see very well, but you've got individual cells here. The image in the slide looks much better. In fact, if you've got a smartphone, you can actually take quite good photographs through the lens.